Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. And today we're going to be doing another taste testing with Martin, y'all. Alright guys, so we have Kanga. It's a little chocolate bar. It's a rip-off of a Lion bar. And we have Petito Pop. And then we have Pocky Sticks, y'all. It's all chocolate. Alright guys. Here's some more. Guys. Alright guys. It comes in a pack. Look, guys. They do green eye. Alright guys, so it's a little bit chocolatey. It's a little bit, sorry guys, but you can definitely taste it's pocky and there's chocolate on it, but there's like these little bulges on it. Hallo, die heft! Und dann was like, in the grader! Sorry guys. Alright guys, next item, we have the Kanga. Spießen here! Look guys, it's Kanga. Kinda looks like a... Alright guys. What did it? You're just gonna clean that here. Alright guys. I'm gonna go. No. You know what I think about this? Wie optager ligesom? This is what I think about it. Alright guys, next item. The Petito Pop. Alright guys, it had bulges in it too. Oh my god, it's playing basketball. Alright guys. That's actually pretty good, y'all. Stop food wasting. Alright guys, but I think the Pocky is the winner of the challenge. Do you have anything to say? Say something!
Yes, yes.
Abraham.
Yes, yes.
De devil boende keer naar de spam on. Sorry guys, he's new to up here. He's been in the basement for like 5 years. Alright guys, but I think that was all. Bye bye.